I call this activity Fuzzy Rainbow. Basically what it is a science activity for children to learn the concept of cause and effect. I use this with my children, they're toddlers. They love the activity because it's messy, it's fun, it's colorful. It's a way for them to interact and socialize. So this activity is beneficial to stimulate the cognitive development of the children. Also the social, emotional, and building relationships. It's a very fun activity for both the children and myself. So for this activity, we are going to use vinegar. We're going to use baking soda. We are going to use food coloring. Go ahead and just scroll in here. Food coloring. I have blue, green, and red. These colors are to present the colors in a rainbow. And here's my yellow. Sorry about that, I got lost in there. And then our final product is foam cups. You can use plastic cup, reusable cups, any type of cups you want. I like foam cups because they're easier to dispose of. So I'm gonna go ahead and use 4 of them. And we are going to place them out in the middle of the table for the children to see. And then we are going to add the baking soda. Just go ahead and I already added to some of my cups over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the baking soda. It's a little messy, but it's fun. The children love how messy the activity is. So I'm only gonna fill it up to about 3/4 of the cup just to minimize the mess. Just go ahead and, ooh, okay. Put a little bit more just to make sure it has a proper reaction. Okay. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and add the food coloring. So basically I like to add it in the order that it would be in a rainbow. So I would add blue. Just gonna close it. We're gonna add green. You can just squirt a little, just enough to get it mixed into the baking soda. And add yellow. And finally red. And I actually think I'm gonna switch out the red and the yellow, and then you're gonna go ahead and mix it into your baking soda so that your baking soda turns yellow. Just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more yellow because it's not quite yellow yet. And actually it's gonna be orange. It's not gonna be yellow, even though the cap says it's yellow, it's actually gonna be orange. So let me just go ahead and mix it in there. Okay, so this is our orange color. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for the red. Okay, this is our red. Go ahead and do the same thing for the green. Okay, this is our green. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the blue. So once we mix the colors into the baking soda, that's where the fun begins, and we start pouring vinegar. There's not a specific amount of vinegar you can pour. You just kind of have to calculate it and see, just about that much. Just a little bit more. My children love the mess, so I like to put a little bit of vinegar, just enough to get it flowing out of the cup so that the children can see the color coming up. This is their favorite part. And you can tell them, their colors, what a rainbow is made of. Ask open-ended questions. When asking open-ended question, it helps a lot because it helps us understand the interests of the child, and it can help us come up with different activities that they will be interested in. And basically, yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, there is a contact section. Go ahead and email me, and I will be more than gladly to answer any questions. Thank you.